Buffalo chicken wings. Yeehaw! For more recipes, subscribe now. You're going to start with 1.5 cups of cornstarch, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of Cajun. Now you're going to want to blend this pretty well because this is going to be your breading, so make sure it's well blended. Then in a separate bowl, you're going to want to add chia seed. You're going to want this chia seed to be ground chia seed. You're going to use 2 tablespoons of that. Add to the chia seed 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. Now the chia seed and the flaxseed, that added protein to your coating, along with giving your sauce a bit of thickness. So you're going to add 1 cup of hot sauce to the chia and flaxseed. I'm using 2 different blends of hot sauce just because it's my preferred blend. So you're going to want 1 cup of your hot sauce. You're going to want to mix that very well. Mix it up real good, and I added 1 teaspoon of teriyaki to cut the heat a little bit. You can also use Dijon mustard, lemon pepper, anything that you prefer you could use. Now in another bowl, add almond milk or oat milk, about 1/2 cup to a bowl. Then take 1/2 head of your cauliflower and start cutting it up into medium pieces with the stems attached. Now you can see all the different steps. Almond milk, step 1, breading 2, step 3 is going to be your hot sauce, then step 4 back into your breading. So you're dipping it into the almond milk first, then you're going to coat it on into your breading, then you're going to dredge it into the hot sauce. After the hot sauce, you're going to put it back into your breading. And from the breading, you will put it into your frying pan. Doing this process is a double battered process. That makes the coating a little stronger so it doesn't break off. It also tastes better. Now I prefer grapeseed oil, but you can use any oil that you prefer. Cook until they're golden brown. Then put them on a paper towel. I then stick them on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven, or a crisper sheet, and then put them in the oven for about 5 minutes on 400. And there you go. You have yourself some vegan buffalo wings that taste pretty darn good.